Alaska is in a state of crisis when it comes to global warming. The ice and snow are both melting, which can cause some serious problems for everybody. Multiple observation sources, including land-based surface stations since at least 1950 and available meteorological reanalysis data sets, provide evidence that Arctic near-surface air temperatures have increased more than twice as fast as the global average. Alaska is the biggest state in the United States, and it has more coastline than any other state, and the whole state is in trouble. Global warming is causing the melting of this ice and snow and causing the sea level to rise. These tide gauge data show all sea levels rising fastest along the northern coast of Alaska, but still slower than the global average due to isostatic rebound. One major solution to this problem would be to reduce our CO2 emissions as a whole.